Based on the above title, you can see that this video is about contest and contest prize updates. Okay, the first new thing that I'm adding to it is this bow. It's red with a white meshy thing. So yeah, on a class like that. And you can either get a red thing with it, a red headband, or whatever other color, but the headband is generally like this. Then I got this blue pen with this bear, and it says bear year. Just enjoy every day. And a purple one, and I can also get your pink one, and they write blue. Also, I got this chocolate eraser, which smells super good. I bought one for myself, and yeah, really good. So yeah, and I don't know if it's a Iwako one, but it just says chocolate eraser, love and neat, and it was made in China. So I don't know if that makes it a Iwako, but whatever. And the nicest thing is this owl book, and it looks like this. I'm trying to get sideways so you can actually see it, but yeah, it's an owl, green owl. Yeah, and it looks like that. There's no decorative pieces in it, but I thought the entire book was just really pretty, so I bought it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and rate, comment, subscribe, and enter the contest.